Yes. Ooh, my bad, dog. My bad, dog. I'm telling you, my brain cells are limited when I'm riding because it's already been used for so many other things. Booty searching both of the human kind and of the female kind and the car kind. What you drinking, dog? Sipping on that haterade? By my calculations, all those beach people, there should be at least 3 girls that are hot as hell on that beach right now. 3 girls, alright? 3 feminitas, chicas, and I'm gonna say 2 handsome guys, alright? 2 handsome guys and 3 shorties. And that little strip of the beach right there. That's what my calculations are. Now you guys catch a jet, come to Mexico, go check and inspect, bring me that proof, and we'll make love on top of the sheets of evidence. My body and your body doing all sorts of things. Gucci gang. Gucci too, I like Gucci though. He comes out of the blue, but he comes out of the blue with a hit. And he comes out of the blue with a meme. His face is for Romeo. Oh, you was waiting on me, homie. Nah, he's going left. But we're gonna be blazing him. Dude, if you was going right, oh, you would get smoked. You would get smoked. Nah, actually I do want that against Broly because Nimbus is clowned on many of them. Broly has not. Ooh, Street Fighters, double. I only thought they were FZs, Yamahas, but 2 double-deuced, double goose Street Fighters. Well, if they only waited, we would have been going that way anyways. Now, if you're wondering what this line, not this line, that's the AMG. But not a GTR. AMG GT Merc, but not our version. If that line people are going there, that's beach parking over there from Heikana Oceana Beach. When there's not enough parking, you have to just sit in line and wait. Doesn't that suck? You just gotta sit and wait. Literally in line. Until somebody leaves and a parking spot opens, then you can go inside and park and go to the beach and dip that body and cream it all up. Ooh, F-type, I will F you up. Stretch it, yoga, gonna get it. Man, so many people are adding just t-shirts and shorts. I'm too scared to do that now. Even though we got that quarantine fat on our bodies, I'm still scared to do that. He's gonna gun it. Come on, dog, that was my calling card. Come get effed up. He was scared with having me behind him. He needed me in front of him. Sorry, dog, you had a chance. I'm not gonna go slow and wait out a ride for an F-type. No sirree, Bob. There's one thing I love about living in Mexico is that so many people are always out and about. I love to look at all these people just walking their dogs, being ugly, riding their bicycles, you know, just doing their thing. I love it. I love it. Because I'm a people watcher. If you guys haven't noticed by now, I'm a people watcher. Ferrari. I'm a people watcher. So I enjoy. What kind is it? California? Oh no, Aston Martin. And a McLaren. No, and SX. Wow, I am. I'm out too early. I'm calling them out too early. You got an Aston Martin and an NSX. Both doing the limit of the speed, just like we. Oui, monsieur. Je m'appelle Riding Insane. What is it with you? What's it with you? What it do with you? Chilling. I see you. Chill it up in the shade. Yeah, the F-type's already here. You know he gunned it. Damn it, Lambo. If only this car got there quicker, we would have had a chance. That's okay. We're gonna be turning ahead anyways. There's some blonde dude. I guarantee he's like past the middle ages, but not super old yet. That kind of blonde. Bleached hair. But not a surfer, just a douchebag. So we won't be able to catch up to the Aston Martin. We won't be able to catch up to the Lamborghini Huracan. We won't be able to catch up with the... What's the other one? The NSX Acura, which had a deep orange, which I like. That was a nice deep orange. So since we don't have anything in the lineup here anyways... Is there? Nah, if you turn left, I'll turn, because this the one doesn't open for motorcycles. Please turn left. Yes? No? Okay. It won't open for motorcycle. Last time we were here for a good, like, I don't know. Damn it, why won't you open for motorcycle? There's a Ferrari California right there. Come on, somebody go left. Somebody go left. That's not even a California. That's a good kid. That's a good Ferrari. That's a heavy Ferrari. What is it, F12, fast one? If only you were quicker, dog. You missed out on a Ferrari too. Yeah, he's going my way. Yeah, we gotta get back, because this air is all warm as hell. Me no like. Let's see if this one opens. I don't remember. I haven't been in this one in a long time. I don't think so. But you never know, right? Yes, please? Pretty please? My body is yours, traffic light. Just open so I can make a U-E. And yes, I call it a U-E. Yes. Ooh, my bad, dog. My bad, dog. Ooh, that was sad. I was so concentrated on the right. I'll take that L. I'll take it. I was so concentrated on the traffic light that I wasn't paying attention with the controls. But I'll take the blame for that one. But I'm gonna give 1% of the blame for levers. Alright? I'm gonna give 1% of the blame to the levers. Joaquin Chapel. Oh my god, it is so high. Okay, we're gonna head off to our glorious home now. We didn't really get to do anything that much today, but I just wanted to come out and ride and enjoy and talk to you guys and just be out, you know, just be out. So I feel we accomplished that by being out in the nature. The day is only getting started, I understand, but just as the day is getting started, it's getting hotter. And I'm a baby, alright? I can't handle that much heat, especially with all this gear. And especially since I'm out here just having a good time. Nice, your puppy. Out here just having a good time anyways. Hairy hands, alright, cool. So Ferrari's gone too. I see a white thing up there. I think it's a Merc or a Mustang. And I think it's an i8 or a Camaro turning left. I want to say Camaro. Could be an i8 though. Chances of an i8 are also high because of this area. I am getting, oh my god. I can legit feel like water just flowing down my hands. Oh. Okay, so that's a BMW for sure, right? It's not an i8. Yeah, it's a BMW for sure, but not an i8. But not an M series, I don't think so. We got a Jaguar old school, and that car I thought was a Merc is a Merc. The white one up there is a convertible. So we're doing good. We missed out on a couple of stuff right off the bat. The thing is, if I could be on a traffic light that I know will open for me, then I'd go on there and we would have a lot of fun. But a lot of traffic lights here, they don't open for motorcycles. And now if you're a youngin' and you're wondering, why doesn't it open for motorcycles? It's because the weight of the bike isn't heavy enough. I was wrong. It's not a Merc, it's a Bentley. Alright, I'll take that L too, man. I'll take that L. No, it's because the weight of the bike isn't enough. It's not heavy enough to trigger the sensor that's in the ground that makes the light turn. Unless that traffic light is a timer where it'll open for everyone no matter what. If it's a sensor, then it won't open for me because I'm not heavy enough. The magnet or whatever can't read that it's a motorcycle or something on there. It is what it is. I don't mind, it happens. We're gonna get 50 million more chances anyways, God willing. With Broly. The light's not flashing, that means the light's not red, so you can gun it, son. I can't think straight right now because the wind noise is so much. I need to start wearing earplugs, but then it makes me talk really weird because there's earplugs in my ears of my drums. And the only thing I want in my ears is your fingers. How awesome would it be that Ferrari is here? No. Ferrari could have only been here. Oh. Calm down, dog. That was me. I was trying to look at the Porsche. Ooh, water rate though. We'll take that. And a Porsche. This dude brakes weird too though. I saw a lot of gap in front of me. Red light, please. Yeah, the Porsche should be up ahead. We got an auto rate and a Porsche and another Porsche, which I don't think is a GT. This is an old school one. GT4. Auto rate. This one. I thought there was another one. He probably gunned it because he was first in line. It's cool. We got cakes. No, not really, but whatever. try to find the positive, you know? I try to find the positive in everything I do. So the Porsche, there was a silver Porsche that looked like a GT3. He probably gunned the hell out of there because he was first in line. Then we have an Auto 8 behind us and a GT4 behind us. Not interested in a GT4, but it's still something because Broly still hasn't gone and made a sex tape with it, so I'll take that. I'll take that. Same helmet, dog. I like that. Same exact helmet. You got duped with the gold visor too. Whenever you buy a gold visor from like Revzilla and stuff, they show it off as extreme gold, but it's not. It's really not. And even the gold visor you're seeing right now, it's because I do color correction when I'm editing and post-production. That's because it looks more gold, but actually it's barely gold. So they rip you off so hard. I was gonna send an email to Revzilla, but I was like, you know what? Just let it go. It's not worth it. All right, so we got a butt buddy, and the reason I call him a butt buddy because he still has the same helmet. So he's a youngin. He still has the same style, even though he'd ride on a chopper, but he'd ride on a Triumph, Pink Mike. Because we're going this way anyways, it'll be nice to have a buddy with us. A lane splitting homie with us. Ferrari. Ooh, is it a Ford?
Can say hello, but I don't want you.
No, it's not a 488. Maybe it is, just not the one that I think it is. No, don't listen like that, man. Alright, sayonara.